What's up guys, it's me Firefoxes with the Q&A answer. Sorry for the delay and here it goes. It's Firefoxes. See, shout out to um, Infame Acids, Infame Statics. Yeah, they are pretty cool guy. And let's skip it. Okay, we have skip it and we have answer here from no question. Sorry, question for Warlock. What makes you to join Psych? Makes me to join Psych. They're pretty good snipers, and I like to snipe. And they do trick shots. That's how I learned to trick shot. I watch their videos, and that's how I make it. Okay. Question number two. Why did you choose Psych and not any other clan? Other good clans like Cuts and Evos. Psych is more good than Cuts and Evos for me. So let's move to the next question. Skip. Why? Okay, it's messy, my friend. Why did you start the YouTube? I start YouTube because I'm getting ready for the RC off. Psych. Okay. Skip. Okay, YouTube. We skip, and it's Phantoms. And can you shout out my channel? Okay, shout out to all PS Vita and like his vid and subscribe. And what is my channel? It's Firefoxes. It's my gamer tag. And let's skip again. Okay, we skip. And here's Psych Grid. The first question. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines, and you know that. If you don't know that, then search it in Google. So hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe.